The National Weather Service in Peachtree City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Forsyth County in north central Georgia until 5:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. 4:28 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. The severe thunderstorm was located over Brookwood, 7 miles south of Cumming, and is nearly stationary. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail.
Good job, FFC.
Source, radar indicated.
Didn't even fix the station.
Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Cumming, Sugar Hill, Drew, and Brookwood. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. If you see wind damage, hail, or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-7-634-4664 to give us your report at NWS Atlanta.